Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Bibox, an advanced cryptocurrency exchange designed to make your trading journey efficient and rewarding. Bibox stands out with its AI-enhanced algorithms, offering a seamless trading experience for beginners and advanced users alike. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about Bibox and why it might be the perfect platform for your trading needs. Bibox provides access to a wide array of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, ensuring you can diversify your portfolio. The platform supports spot trading, margin trading, and futures trading, catering to different trading styles. With a user-friendly interface and sophisticated tools like customizable charts, advanced order types, and risk management features, Bibox ensures you stay in control of your trading strategies. Additionally, Bibox's competitive fees and tiered discount system for frequent traders make it an attractive choice for cost-conscious users. To get started, you'll need to sign up on Bibox. The registration process is straightforward and quick. Once registered, you can deposit your funds using various methods, including crypto deposits and fiat gateways. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio and trading options. Explore the trading terminal to execute market orders, limit orders, or even set up complex strategies using advanced order types. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For those looking to maximize their holdings, Bibox also offers staking and savings programs. You can earn passive income by holding your crypto on the platform. The Bibox token, BX, provides additional benefits, such as fee discounts and access to exclusive features. Don't forget to check out the promotions and bonus programs for new users. By signing up through this link https://lnk.do/jquucoif, you'll receive a special bonus to kickstart your trading journey on Bibox. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more insightful content.